Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a super easy and simple design. When I say super simple and easy, I mean to the T, okay? Because every single nail is the same. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I always like to do these crazy, like detailed, different on every nail type of designs, for content purposes. But this was my birthday design. And I'm never set in stone on an outfit until like the day of, even like a couple hours before I end up going out. And so I needed something very simple that no matter what I chose, it would still look cute, So I did this glitter gel polish by Beetles. You can get this on my Amazon storefront, or you can click the link down below to check these out. And then to kind of give it a little twist, I did a French, but the French is like half a French. You'll see what I mean when we get to that part. So as you can also see, I also did the acrylic off camera because this was a part of a couple of designs that I had done for Christmas. So all I had to do was shorten the acrylic down and I was good to go. So this is a nail art only video, and for now I will just let you guys watch the rest of my gel application. I do want to mention that I did a couple of coats for this gel polish. I believe I did 2 coats, and I was honestly tempted to do 3 because I just wanted it to like have as much glitter as possible. Does that make sense? But the problem with glitter gel polish, if you've ever used it before, is that it can be so thick. I wish there was a glitter polish out there that wasn't so thick, because then it would just go on so smooth, and maybe it's out there and I just haven't found it yet. But with my experience, anything that has to do with glitter is so thick and it can be kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So I did 2 coats of the pink glitter polish, and then this is me going in with the White by Nails by Dev liner gel. Absolutely love the consistency of this gel. And the cool thing about her line is that she has so many different shades of liner gels, and I want them all. So I will little by little be investing in more of her liner gels because I love the consistency of them. But anyways, for my French, I kind of made a little tiny mark on how high I wanted my French to go up. And I also use that same line as a marker, like as a halfway point. So I know exactly where I want to shade in half of my French, and then I leave the other half of the French empty. So I'll let you guys watch so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. here is the final look, you guys. Like I said, it was super easy, super simple, and the glitter shines perfectly when you have like really low exposure and you can really see it shimmer. I absolutely loved it. I thought they were cute and the pink was perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.